Welcome back, boys and girls. Today we're going to be doing a patterning problem involving Lego and pyramids. How awesome is that? Let me read you the question. It says, Mr. Riddle loves Lego. He builds pyramids, each larger than the last. The table shows the number of blocks needed in the first 3 pyramids. Complete the table below and list the pattern rule. Now, looking at this, I know that the pattern rule is going to be super important. It's underlined, so it's got to be important. B said, if we have 12,000 Legos, could I build the 6th pyramid? That's what we need to figure out. How many would be left? Or, and this is an or, how many would I be short? So the first thing I need to do is figure out what the pattern rule is. How did I get from 12 to 48? Now, a lot of people will add. So they need to figure out what plus 48, or what plus something equals 48. So in order to do that, some students have told me that they did 48 take away 12. 8 take away 2 is 6, 4 take away 1 is 3. Therefore, I know that 36 plus 12 equals 48. And I can see if that works for the next one. 48 plus 36, 8 plus 6 is 14, carry the 1, 1 plus 4 is 5, plus 3 is 8, 84. Nope, that doesn't do it. So the next thing I need to ask myself, how do I get a larger number without adding? And how do you think we can do that? Alex?
By timing it by 4.
Yeah, by multiplying. So now we have to figure out what number we can multiply by. What times 12? So 12 times x equals 48. Interesting. So, I need to figure out what times 12 equals 48. Going around the room, I found out that a lot of people were trying this out. So they might do 12 times 3, 3 times 2 is 6, 1 times 3 is 3. It can't be 36, it's got to be something larger. So, now let's try something larger. Let's try 4. 4 times 2 is 8. 4 times 1 is 48. Sweet, I got 48. Next, I got to figure out if the pattern rule goes from 48 to 192. So, 48 times 4. 4 times 8 is 32. Good start. And 4 times 4 is 16, plus 3, 16, 17, 18, 19, equals 192. I have figured out the pattern rule. I am going to write out the pattern rule. The pattern rule is what? Leisha?
Multiply by 4 each time.
Is multiply by 4 each time. Now, is the pattern growing or shrinking? James? So I'm going to write a growing pattern. Okay, now I need to figure out the rest of the numbers in my table. Do you want to zoom in a little bit there, Matt? Can we look at the table? Can you just put it closer? There you go. So this is the table. I need to figure out what goes in these next 3 ones. If I know that I'm growing by 4 each time, then I do the same thing. 192 times 4. I can do it algorithm way. I could do it box way. I'm going to do it box way. So I create a box. 190 and 2 times 4. 4 times 100 is 400. 4 times 90, well, I just do 4 times 9. I know 4 times 9 is 36. Add the 0. And 4 times 2 is 8. Now I just have to add that together. 400, 360, and 8. 8, 6, 7. So, 768 in here. That's how many blocks I will need for 4 pyramids. Let's figure out how many I need for 5 pyramids. 768 times 4. Let's try the lattice way this time, shall we?
No.
7, 6, 8. And 4. Okay. 4 times 8 is 32. 4 times 6 is 24. And 4 times 7 is 28. So, first column, I have 2. Second column, 4 plus 3 is 7. Next column, 10. And last column, 3. So I have 3,072. I'm going to put that over here in my table. Last one. I'm running out of space here. So I do 3,072 times 4. I'm going to do the algorithm way this time. 4 times 2 is 8. 4 times 7 is 28. 4 times 0 is 0 plus 2 is 2. And 4 times 3 is 12. I have 12,288. So I'm going to put that in here. Now, let's take a look at B. Want to zoom in there a little bit, Matt? B says, if I had 12,000 Legos, could I build the 6th pyramid? How many would be left? Or how many would I be short? So, I know that if I only had 12,000 Legos, I could not build my 6th pyramid. So, I'm going to write B cannot build 6th pyramid, and I would figure out how many I'd be short. So 12,288, take away 12,000. Pretty easy because I just do 8 take away 0 is 8, 8 take away 0 is 8, 8, 2 take away 0 is 2, and 0 is 0. So I would be short 288 pieces. And that is a level 4 piece of work.
Yay.
Thank you.